I'm now stuck with this asshole for 7 days. Huh?
That's so nice.
Really nice. I get to ride the carousel. And then this would be one of our rooms then? This is our room. Let's see. This is the smallest little bathroom. Hee hee. These are the other cruise ships. Our cruise ship is the biggest though, right?
Yep.
Well, there's a miniature golf. Surprise, surprise. We're sailing away. Let's see. We have a good view of some watery things. We are leaving Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is really cool. He's got his Lululemon shirt on today. Nice. Fox. Very fancy. Me and Ro cross bracelet. And his has a, what's it called?
Friendship thing or the wish thing?
Yeah, the wish bracelet, the Brazilet, and Skagen watch. Very fancy. And I have my alcoholic beverage, which is some kind of lemonade. Let's see. I think I like that one, or that one, or that one. You can see the water going by, and these are little boat things, I guess. Submarines? And this is a jogging track. There was someone actually working out, which I will not be doing, but I've never seen water this dark blue before. It's amazing. Okay, there is a, what is that, a lizard? Is it an iguana, right? Oh! There are rats in here too. Oh my god. Oh, I'm scared of rats. They bite, right?
They're scared of it. There's a little one that's popping his head out right there.
Oh my god, it's cute! cute. It's like a baby. I think they're mice. I don't think they're rats. Oh my god, that's so cute. I used to have a collection of mice. Where did it go?
It's gonna come and eat you.
And this is our boat. It's a big boat. And we already went on the island of St. Thomas, but it's already time to go back on the boat. Right?
That's right.
Why are we going back on the boat?
Because there's not too much money here.
If you go on a cruise, I suggest when you stop at the islands to go on excursions, right?
Basically, yes.
So that's what we're gonna do. Is it tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. This is our fine dining restaurant. Look at what we got. I'm walking to go meet Brian. He already left me to go play the surf game or whatever it's called. And I was still sleeping. We use the stairs a lot on here. We're staying on the 9th floor and the pools are on the 16th floor. Look at that, is a carnival ship. I heard not to ever ride carnival. They have a slide. I want a freaking slide. We have a golf course, but I want a freaking slide. We're in St. Martin today, and it's windy. Here is St. Martin's. It looks a lot nicer than St. Thomas did. More like resorts and things, or maybe it's just where we docked that it looks nicer. I don't know. I don't know. This is St. Martin.
Close, all that.
We are on the beach in St. Martin, and there are ships, and it's hot.
Very hot.
Very, very, very hot. And I think maybe only tourists come here.
Basically.
Blue Bitch Bar. Apparently, what did you say?
We're gonna go there for you because that's exactly what you're not. Maybe.
Look at the nice new sunglasses. They look good. Are you walking? Alcoholic.
Who, me?
Yep.
This is water with mint.
Water with mint. It's a very refreshing drink. Oh, look at, they have all that stuff there. They might have your mojito here.
I want the frozen one.
We want the frozen mojito made with Island Oasis. It's a paradise drink. It's hot. I'm getting a tan. I'm having a strawberry daiquiri virgin style.
I like my tan.
It's nice. I like your Manro cross bracelet.
Thank you. Got it from Exit Art.
TheCurrentCustom.com, really.
Sorry.
I like mountains. We got more alcohol.
We got a smaller cup this time because the last time didn't last as long.
It didn't last too long. I got mine. They're cute. You get a shovel.
Here, see?
They're like fat Americans shovel their shit in. We got back to our room and we found this on the bed. What is this, Brian?
I have no freaking clue.
We think it might be, I think it might be a turtle. What do you think? What is the thing? It looks like armadillo. Doesn't it? Like, that's what an armadillo.
Some kind of weird animal.
Wait, it would be a sea life, right?
I don't know what this thing is.
Ah! You fucked it up. It's a turtle.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Oh, what's that noise?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Is it a call?
Guess something or other. Hello?
This is the happenings of the night. There's some picture on the screen. There's an umbrella in the pool. Do you see that?
There's no pool yet.
Wait, no pool, but an umbrella.
Oh, I just...
Nauseous. We drank a lot today. What's that? Is that an island way far out there?
That looks like a cruise ship.
That's what I saw before you said no.
Earlier it was like an island. Oh, wow.
Good thing I have my camera. What did we forget?
Well, we forgot a room key.
Wait, that guy looks like he works here. When you forget your room key, where do we go?
We'll find out here.
Work here? That guy looks particularly nice.
That's good. He looks like he works here.
He did look like he worked here, didn't he? We should have asked him.
Let's see if we can slide or something.
Okay, he does this amazing sliding action. It's better when he wears his wet swimming trunks. Do people call them swimming trunks anymore?
No.
Board shorts.
Exactly. Yeah, right.
I'm wearing this lovely dress today. We got... Come on, keep going.
Can't do it on these. It's like wall.
Come on. I've got shoes on tonight.
Longer one. So I have a better chance to fall.
Oh, please don't do this one. Ah! Jackass! Gotta go to guest services now because someone's a dumbass. This basically means extra dumbass, but they put in my name on there for some reason instead of his. What the hell?
Old people are in the way. Oh well.